Hello, kiddos. Welcome to Kiddo Easy Learning. Let's learn some farm animal names. Who am I? I am goat. I provide milk and meat. Who am I? I am pig. I provide meat, lard, leather, glue, fertilizer, and several medicines. Who am I? I am cow. I provide milk, meat, and leather. Who am I? I am sheep. I provide milk, meat, and wool. Who am I? I am horse. I'm used for riding and transport. Who am I? I am dog. I'm pet animal. I provide unconditional love and support. Who am I? I am cat. I'm pet animal. I keep your house mice-free. Who am I? I am goose. I provide meat, feathers, and down. Who am I? I am rabbit. I'm used in the production and research of antibodies. Who am I? I am donkey. I'm used in farming and as transportation. Who am I? I am parrot. I help to propagate the forest. Who am I? I am rooster. I guard against predators and sound the alert if there is any perceived danger. Who am I? I am duck. I provide meat, eggs, and feathers. Who am I? I am alpaca. I provide yarn and apparel to tapestries and blankets from my fleece. Who am I? I am hen. I provide egg and meat. Who am I? I am quail. I provide egg and meat. Who am I? I am pigeon. I'm effective as messenger due to my natural homing abilities. Who am I? I am bee. I provide honey. Who am I? I am turkey. I provide meat. Who am I? I am camel. I provide milk, meat, wool, and hides.